Okay, just for the heck of it, I'm gonna do a little exploring. Never been over here. We're in northeast. We're in mid-Oklahoma. That's why you see all that red dirt. A lot of iron in it. And I've always wanted to just kind of go over here and explore. And it's November. Pretty warm, about 70 degrees. I just want to check out these weird formations over here. Looks like a lot of erosion. We are near Arcadia Lake. And kind of feels like Mars down here. Kind of cool to mountain bike here, wouldn't it? I'm not sure what to expect to find. A lot of red rock, red dirt. There's footprints. Not the only person that's been here. It's a nice Christmas tree. Just thought, what the heck, let's come over here. Definitely Mars. Well, I'm in shorts right now, so I'm not going to be going much further than this. But what the heck? You subscribe to this weird channel, so you're going to get weird videos. And that's the end. What are these tracks? Is that a big dog? That looks like a deer. What is that? What's that? There's all kinds of tracks here, but they don't look too fresh. What's that? I know what that is. That's the hoof of a deer. What in the heck is that?